Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So investors of a certain age may remember the 1999 teen rom-com movie 10 Things I Hate About You, starring Julia Stiles and Heath Ledger. The film is an adaptation of The Taming of the Shrew by William Shakespeare. The two main characters initially don't like each other, but ultimately get together by the end of the movie. In one of the final scenes, Julia Stiles' character recites a poem to Heath Ledger's character titled 10 Things I Hate About You, which, in contrast to the title, is actually her profession of her love. The poem reads, "But mostly I hate the way I don't hate you. Not even close, not even a little bit, not even at all." So in that vein, here are the 10 things I don't hate about dividends. Number 1, passive income. Sounds obvious, but this is very much underrated. This term gets thrown around a lot lately, especially on social media, but I have not found a single better source of passive income. No phone calls, no broken items to fix, etc. You buy quality companies or funds, they do the work, and the dividends come in like clockwork without you having to do anything. Number 2, live off the dividends. Many investors plan on selling off their investments to live off of. 4% rule, anyone? These investors have to sell shares to get income. Dividend investors get to have the income and keep their shares indefinitely. Number 3, legacy. Instead of selling down assets to live off of, dividend investors can pass on the investments to their kin or charities since we are not going to be using the money, just the dividends. Number 4, dividends don't lie. As the late, great Geraldine Weiss said in her book by the same title, dividends can't be manipulated. The company either has the cash to pay or not. A company that can pay and raise their dividend with cash can show how strong they really are. No accounting tricks or financial engineering. Cash is king. Number 5, no babysitting. After doing the initial research, dividend investors don't have to focus on the daily or weekly basis on what the companies are doing, what new product is launching or not launching. A lot of growth-focused companies can be seriously affected in the short term by missing a deliverable on a new product. Dividend companies tend to be more established and the growth is more stable. Number 6, greater fool theory. Traditional stock investing relies on you being able to sell your shares to the greater fool at some point in the future in order to profit. With dividends, you're relying on the company management and the board of directors to make the decision, not another investor. Number 7, easier to plan. Instead of worrying about the total balance of your investments, you can focus on the growing stream of dividends as your goal. That is something we can control. We can't control the price the market is willing to pay for a stock. Markets go up and down a lot and often. How can you plan your future around that? I can be certain that a basket of quality dividend companies will continue to pay and raise their dividends, which allows me to better plan for my future. Number 8, dividend growth does the heavy lifting. My dividends are making money, and that money makes more money, all through the wonderful magic of compounding. Additionally, the companies I invest in raise their dividend, supercharging this growth. Number 9, paid to own great companies. As a dividend investor and as the owner of great businesses, the companies share their earnings with you, the owner. Just like if you owned your own business, you get a portion of the profits each year. Number 10, superior returns. Dividends have historically made up 40% or more of the total returns of the market over time. Additionally, dividend growers have out-returned non-dividend payers. Better total returns and passive income? Sounds like something to love. So thank you for watching today. Please subscribe if you haven't and like this video if you like what you saw, and please share with your friends. You can also find me on social media, on Twitter, and on Threads, as well as our website, dividendstockpile.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.